Blowing out curly hair in the summer is a struggle. If you have curly hair like me, you know that it's hard. You know that for you to keep your hair nice and straight in the summer when it's super humid and hot, it's almost impossible. It's very, very hard to do that. But I'm going to show you guys the products and tools that I prefer to use in the summer for a nice sleek blowout and for frizz control, because you already know these products are going to control frizz. I have tried them, I have tested them, and they work very well on my curly hair. And I'm gonna do like this crazy blowout routine right now for frizz, so I can't wait to share this with you guys. I am gonna do a 24-hour wear test, so stay tuned and keep watching. Watch the entire video, because tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like also in this video. So yeah, keep watching. Anyways, we're gonna start with the prepping products. The prepping products are just as important as your hair tools that you use. As you can see, it's very dark outside, it's very late, and I'm just doing this at night because tomorrow I have to run some errands. I have to take my license photo and I want my hair to look nice, so that is why I'm doing it now, so that tomorrow I can just take off my tubi. I'm going to show you guys how I do my tubi, how I go to sleep, what I do to my hair to go to sleep, and all that stuff. Anyways, I'm going to start with the Olaplex number 6. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this bond smoother to my hair, just a little bit like that. I'm going to do the bottom section first. I'm mainly using this product for moisture, but this also controls frizz, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1. It also adds shine. I just really love this, and if you mix it with the number 7 bonding oil, it's great. But I'm going to add some oil at the end, so I'm just adding the number 6 now. I'm going to do the top section as well. I add about that much on the top. And then I'm making sure to detangle my hair super well. So I divided my hair into about 8 sections, and these 2 sections down here. So I'm going to start with these sections down here, and I'm going to be using the BaBylissPRO Volare. I love this blow dryer because it gets super hot, and I do need a little bit of extra heat in the summer, because I just feel like this gives me a very nice blowout to begin with, and it doesn't feel like if it's burning my hair either. I've used this a couple times already, and I feel like my curls have been looking fine lately. So yeah, really love this. And I'm going to be using this round brush. I'm going to be linking everything down below in the description box. This is from Olivia Garden. This is the XL, the size 55. I love that this just glides through my hair. It is so gentle. Really, really like this round brush. It is definitely like my favorite one. This is the one that I use the most, hands down. I also have a very small one, which I could use for the edges, also from Olivia Garden. Really love this brand. I'm going to add some of this Color Wow Dream Coat on each section before drying my hair. So every time I take one of these clips off, I'm immediately going to be adding some of this Color Wow Dream Coat and then blowing it out with the BaBylissPRO Volare. This is the extra strength, so this is going to be even stronger than the original. I feel like the original is great for frizz control, so I can't even imagine how this is going to work. This is going to be my first time trying it. Remember to spray a pretty generous amount of this on your hair. It's not going to feel heavy or anything, and also dry immediately after you spray this. This is going to activate with the heat, and it's going to give you very nice smooth results, a lot of shine. But the main thing that I like about the Color Wow Dream Coat is that it is going to control frizz so much, and I also mainly use this product today for that, to control frizz. I feel like this is one of the better products out there for that. So yeah, I'm going to be linking everything down below if you guys want to check it out. I like to dry my roots first and then just slowly bring the brush down, and then once I reach the ends, I like to really focus some heat on the ends and give the ends a little bit of bounce, even though I am going to do something else later to my hair, so you guys will see what I'm talking about. But if you just wanted to leave your hair like this, like a nice blowout look, then you can definitely just focus most of the heat on the ends and just flip the ends with your brush. You can also pin each section with clips if you want even more bounce and longer lasting volume. But today I'm going to focus on that sleek look, so you guys will see what I'm going to do after I blow out my hair. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like after blowing it out with the BaBylissPRO Volare. Absolutely love the blowout, but this is not gonna last. I know that tomorrow my hair is gonna get frizzy with just a blowout. It's been so humid and it's been raining a lot, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna use a straightener now because I'm gonna need it. If I want my blowout to last in the summer, I definitely need to use a straightener just to lock in the style with a little bit of extra heat. I'm gonna use the GHD Max. I love this hair tool because it only uses one heat setting, the perfect heat setting for your hair at 365 degrees Fahrenheit. And I feel like this hair tool doesn't really feel like extreme heat on my hair, and it doesn't really damage my curls over time. So if you want to straighten your hair but you want something that is gentle for your hair, I definitely recommend the GHD straighteners. They are amazing. I'm going to add a little bit of heat protectant because I do want to protect my hair from the heat either way. Even though it's only at 365 degrees Fahrenheit, I have to protect my hair from the heat because you never know, you want your hair to, you know, stay nice and healthy. So I use the Educate Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. This also controls frizz, so I'm gonna add some of this to my hair. I love this spray. Just add a little bit like this. And I love that this is kind of like a dry spray. It kind of feels like hairspray, but it's not sticky. That's how I like to describe it. Just add this on the bottom section, and then I'm going to do it on the top section as well. But as you can see, my hair looks pretty smooth for the most part, but I definitely want to smooth it out just a little tiny bit more just because of the weather. But if this was the winter, I mean, this blowout would last me days and I wouldn't have to use extra heat on my hair. So I'm just taking the straightener and just doing maybe about 2 passes per section. Just very slowly bringing this down my hair, or maybe I'll just do 1 pass. We'll see. I usually do about 2, but since I did a blowout already and my hair is pretty straight to begin with, I think 1 pass should be enough. I think that looks fine, but I'm gonna do 2 passes just because I want my hair to be extra sleek, extra sleek. There you go. I'm also going to show you guys how I wrap my hair before going to sleep. I do a little doobie, and that really helps to maintain my blowout for days. So yeah, here's this section compared to this one. This one definitely looks a lot more smooth already. This one has more volume, but I mean, I can't ask for a ton of volume in the summer because my hair gets frizzy already. So I have to start with pretty straight hair like this if I want my blowout to last. Can't believe it is almost 10 p.m. and I'm still doing my hair. I started at like 8, which is not too bad, but wow, this is a process. I like doing my hair at night sometimes. It's very nice to do your hair, do your doobie, go to sleep, call it a night. Look at that shine. I am obsessed. I don't think my hair has looked this straight in so long. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. It looks very sleek. I really hope that it stays like this at least for a couple days, but we'll see. But yeah, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? This straightener is amazing. If you haven't tried it, you have to try it out. This blow dryer also super nice, and the products that I used amazing as well. I'm gonna do my doobie now. This is what we do in DR and a lot of other countries. Comment down below what they call it in your country. I know in PR it's like doobie, but in DR it's doobie. I've heard vuelta as well. I've heard a couple of other ones. So yeah, comment down below what you guys call it. But basically, you just split your hair right in the middle like this. Make sure that you brush your hair super well. Put your head down like this, and then just start brushing your hair forward. Then put the net on top of your hair like this, and then start to bring in the hair from the side. Start to just bring it up, the little hair net like this. Just do that to all your hair. My husband is so used to seeing me like this. It's so cute. But if you're Dominican, ya tú sabes, tú duermes así. So you already know. This is very common in DR. And I mean, I've even seen women in doobies at the airplane, airport, the supermarket. I don't do that. I got too shy for that. But yeah, if you want your blowout to look nice by the time you get to your destination, definitely do this in the airplane. And yeah, it'll keep the blowout very nice. If you want to also kind of twist it a little bit, you can do that. And there you have it. I like to use bobby pins too, just to kind of secure the net, because sometimes it kind of like moves when you're sleeping. I also like to put a bonnet on top just, you know, final touch to look even cuter. But yeah, this is it. This is the final sleeping look. There you have it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm gonna just touch up my hair maybe with some dry shampoo, and I'm gonna use the final call from Drybar, and I'll do the wear test, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so it is the next day. It is 10:27, so we're gonna start the wear test right now, and I'm gonna take off my doobie and see if I need to do anything to my hair. I think it might be okay. I hope I don't have to straighten it again or anything. I definitely got a little wave right there. I think it was because of the bobby pin. So I'm gonna just re-straighten that part real quick. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of this Wella oil, just a little tiny bit on my hair. This is the lighter one. They have two, and there's one that's a little bit thicker, but I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit. And as you can see, I literally only straightened the front sections. And now the final step, the last product I'm going to use, the Drybar Final Call. So this is going to act as a shield, and this is going to prevent my hair from getting frizzy. So I'm just going to spray this. If my hair gets frizzy after all these steps, all these products, all these tools, I'm going to be surprised. Alright guys, I'm going to do an all-day wear test. I'll be back at the end of the day. I hope my hair still looks nice and straight. Got my new license. Here's the picture, guys. My hair's still looking okay. I mean, we just left the house. That was quick. I'll keep you guys posted with the wear test. The sky, it looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm nervous. I don't want my hair to get too frizzy. Cheers, mi amor.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Love it. Okay guys, I am back home. It is 8 p.m. It's been a long day, and let me tell you, I was out all day and my hair looks exactly the same as it did last night and this morning before I left. So yeah, I'm really loving the results, and it was actually very humid today. Like, it was about to rain. It did drizzle a little bit. It did like rain a little tiny bit, but I wasn't really outside when it was raining, but it was a very humid day. So yeah, the weather wasn't the best, and my hair still looked pretty good. So yeah, definitely try this routine out. Try all these products. They are so worth it. And yeah, I can see myself doing this routine again now in the summer if I want to leave my hair straight. I feel like this is exactly what I had to do to be able to have a longer lasting blowout in the summer. So yeah, this blowout routine it's great. It's really nice. So yeah, it's been almost 24 hours since I did my hair, and my hair does not look frizzy at all. It's also very soft. It doesn't feel heavy at all, and I put a lot of product on my hair, but the products that I put are very light. So yeah, I'll probably do another doobie tonight. I like to brush my hair at the end of the night, do a doobie, and I'll see how long this blowout is gonna last. But yeah guys, I'm gonna be linking all these tools and products down below in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.